Hi everyone, my name is Dan Arscott and I'm the Director of Business Development here at Nova. I have the privilege of walking you through some of the new features we've added into the platform this week. Before we jump into that, for those that are new here, Nova is your end-to-end drone processing software solution that takes your raw data and turns it into actionable deliverables in a single location. We empower those people in public safety, emergency response, fire, and forestry to get more out of their drone platforms. So if you haven't played around in the app, feel free to jump in and process some data on your own. All right, let's jump into kind of what we've added. A highly sought after feature from our clients and teams and organizations that we work with has been workspace permissions. The ability to share workspaces and projects, but limit the access that those people have. I'm proud to say the team has been working hard and we've brought this into the platform. So let's look at what this means. So we're going to jump into the top here. If you have an existing workspace, to manage those users, I can go into the top, I can click the three buttons, I can click manage. What you'll see here is I have a number of team members associated with my workspace. A number of them are already viewers. I'm the administrator. And if I wanted to change Liam to a viewer, all I would do is click the edit button, adjust his permission to viewer, and confirm the access. Liam would now have view-only permissions as part of our workspace. If you're inviting people to the workspace for the first time, you can also do it from the invite modal. So what we can see here is I'm inviting people to my workspace. I can change their access and I can add their emails and press share, done, to send them an email, and they'll have that level of permission when they come in. Okay, let's kind of walk through what this actually looks like once I'm in a project. So a little refresh of what an editor permission looks like. So let's jump into this fire example. And what we can see here is with editor level permissions, I have access to my layer panel. I can rename, edit, and delete layers. I can process new layers through our extensive suite of plugins, our orthomosaic tool, FMV or video layer, color finder, hotspots, and our fire perimeter tool. And from my toolbar, I can also place icons onto my map like this staging area and incident command post, lines and polygons, and place text on map as we can see here with div alpha and div bravo. Now for our more advanced features like our hotspot layer where there's some manipulation and data analysis that you can do, you also have access to adjust that. So I can place heat maps, adjust the visualization. I can change the sensitivity of my model. And of course, one of the biggest features with hotspots is the ability to actually adjust the hotspots based on the distance to that perimeter. So this is all in my editor suite. Let's jump over to a different workspace where I'm a viewer only and walk through how that kind of looks different. So the first thing you'll notice, the layer panel. I can select layers, but I'm unable to rename, edit, or delete. I also don't have access to any of the plugins at the top to process that data. From the right-hand side of my screen, you can see my toolbox has changed a little bit. I no longer can place icons, lines, and polygons or text on map. I can measure distances to do a little bit of view level analysis. And I'm still able to actually export mapping products out of the platform to share with team members. Now, we all know that this is a critical piece to your success in organizing and managing your drone data because you don't want people coming into the platform and changing or altering the work that you've done. We're really excited that this feature is launched. I'm more excited to get your feedback on it. And we're pretty confident that you're going to find immense value in it. As always, if you have any questions or comments, do not hesitate to reach out. I love chatting with you all and learning a little bit more about how you're using the platform. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.